hands. They can be used for good and they can be used for evil. In this lesson, covering Exodus 32 and 33, students are asked to watch the hands during pivotal moments of this narrative because the hands reflect the heart. In this multi-learning style lesson, students begin by color-coding Exodus 32, marking in 3 different colors how key players use their hands. A provided song sheet allows you to sing Up on the Mountaintop as a catchy method of review. Students use the fingers on their hand as a memory aid. The first letter of each finger correlates with the first letter of individuals or groups in our story. Your class will also use their hands in a pep rally cheer, repeated throughout the lesson as a reminder of God's love for them and their appropriate response. There are 4 physical challenges in this lesson that provide hands-on kinesthetic learning opportunities for your students. For example, 2 students race against each other to pulverize a bath bomb in less than 1 minute, mimicking what Moses did as he melted down the idol, grinding it into powder. Students scour the scriptures as they do some picture matching on the worksheet, a very visual series of events. And on another, they learn a new word, theophany. A time of reflection encourages students to identify their own personal idols. A colorful worksheet also asks 11 questions to facilitate this heart exercise. Reenactments using colorful name tags help students visually understand how Moses as intercessor and Aaron as high priest foreshadowed Jesus as our mediator who bridges the sin gap between us and God.